Welcome to our Bovespa B3 with Linux channel. The channel objective is to share knowledge and experience of using Linux with graphical analysis platforms on stock exchange market day trading operations. The main reason for the channel creation was the concern with so many unprepared beginners blind diving on the market and consequent losses, some beyond recovery. During the last 2.5 years, due to COVID-19 pandemics, there is a clear increase on number of beginners testing the waters of stock exchange market day trading operations. Just as an example, the Brazilian stock exchange market, known as Bovespa or B3, had experienced a growth that was remarkable. From 1.6 million active registered traders late in 2019, by January 2022 passed the 4 million mark. Searching for new income sources due to job losses, unemployment, business closings, bankruptcies, etc., all caused by the lockdowns, is more than an obvious strong cause for this increasing interest on the stock market and on short-term return requiring limited investments. Early misleading perception on how simple looks the graphical analysis must be recognized as a strong point for such losses. As well put by some authors, day trading operations on the stock exchange market is simple indeed. But don't take it wrong, it is not easy. Many beginners blind dive on the market with very little or just no knowledge and absolutely no previous practice. Not so few use all available financial resources or even borrow money to start operating, totally unprepared. Strong losses and even breakdown is practically unavoidable. Knowing that the majority of stock exchange brokers and graphical analysis platform developers only offer support to Windows systems after version 8 may push some beginners even further on buying new and more powerful hardware. Such situations have driven me to share the experience and knowledge acquired with the use of Linux during more than 20 years. For everyone who desires at least the chance of exploring the possibilities of successful operating day trading on stock exchange market with limited initial investment, yes, there is a solution. If the equipment you currently own is no longer updated or have hardware limitations to take Windows Update, it is possible to bypass the problem without immediately buying a new PC. Using at least some of the more advanced and powerful graphical analysis platforms is possible, even with obsolete or outdated hardware by using Linux. I can prove it even with a 12 and a 13 years old notebook. The initial investment on buying a new and powerful new PC able to run the latest Windows versions can be postponed at least until you get some practice and knowledge of the day trading operations. With that said, I invite all of you that may want to learn more about this subject to subscribe to our channel, clicking also on the bell to receive notifications when new videos are released. I'm already preparing the new versions of my previously posted videos, now in English. Thank you, and until our next video.